Our number one goal is to exceed the client's expectations in terms of excellent customer service and incredible creative interior design. The design process begins with a face-to-face consultation with the client. We talk about your style, your budget, the needs that you have for your space. I then take all of that information through our extensive interview together and put together the design package, including drawing the floor plans, looking for the fabrics, the furnishings, make sure that everything does fit your needs, and then we put that plan into implementation.
Maria has completely transformed what was a beautiful room to begin with, but it lacked the finishing touches. The process of working with her was a very enjoyable one, and we've received numerous compliments on the room, the color scheme, the tables. She worked with our budget and our taste and our uses, and the process was very enjoyable. I highly recommend her.
I invite you to visit my website at www.idsbymaria.com to learn more about our services and to view our monthly specials.